Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am going to share with you how to create this no falsies makeup look. Super simple, glowy, bronzy as you can see, and I'm testing out new products that I have gotten in pure packages that I never tried before, so I'm giving you guys my first impression. And also I'm sharing with you some other products that I absolutely love and that I've been loving, that I've been using for a while, and that I wanted to share that I love them. So without further ado, let's begin this video. So let's start this tutorial. And I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to use for my skin first to prep it. So it's the Ultra Facial Cream from Kiehl's. So while I wait for the moisturizer to sink into my face, I'm going to start with my brows, and I'm going to be using the Total Temptation brow pencil from Maybelline in the shade Soft Brown. Using a color that is a little bit lighter than my actual hair color, just because my hair is more blonde now, more lighter. So I am loving the fact that I get to use like a lighter pencil for my brows. I'm having fun with the blonde. Then I'm gonna grab an angle brush and I'm gonna spread the product through the brow, brush it through to make sure everything is even out and there's no spaces left to fill in. Alright, so I'm going to like clean up the underbrow and highlight them once I put my foundation, but I'm going to first apply my primer, and I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever smoothing primer. I'm going to be using the CC Cream Plus by It Cosmetics, and it's color correcting, full coverage, has anti-aging ingredients, it has a hydrating serum, and it has an SPF of 50. I've actually been really liking this CC Plus cream. I don't even know if I should call it a foundation, but yeah, I've been actually testing it out for like a couple weeks now, and I've really been liking this CC cream, and it does have the coverage. It actually feels lightweight on the skin, and if you're looking for something that still has those like anti-aging ingredients and good stuff for your skin with SPF, give this a try because I really like it. Foundation, and I'm gonna put it right onto my hand, and I'm gonna grab a flat brush and basically clean up and like really sharpen the edges of my brow. So I don't really think it's like super full coverage, but I see what they're going for with the full coverage concept. I mean, CC creams, in my knowledge, it's like a, you know, like a moisturizer with like a tint of a base, and it's supposed to just cut, you know, just like even out your skin tone just a little bit and just give you that nice like you know, like even out canvas without the heaviness of a regular foundation. But I do see that this CC has like more coverage, like a full coverage, but it's not really like full coverage like a regular foundation, because I feel like I still see a little bit of like sunspots coming through. Like I can still see them, but I really love the coverage that is giving me for something natural, you know, like a makeup, no makeup look, but it's still giving you that coverage, and it's lightweight, and you're still getting those good ingredients. So yeah, I'm going to actually try it out, these new products from Becca for under the eyes, and I wanted to test them out right now. So I'm going to be using this anti-fatigue under eye primer. I'm going to apply it right underneath my eye. It's actually clear, like it looks green in the packaging, but it's actually clear. And then I am going to use next step, which is the under eye brightening corrector, and this one is in the shade medium deep. This might be a little bit too dark for me, but I don't know, let's try it out. Just gonna do one eye so you guys can see the difference. No, it actually works pretty good. Then I'm actually going to apply the concealer next, and then I am going to apply the powder. So for concealer, I am going to be using, let's see, what should I be using? I'm gonna be using the YSL in the shade, I guess it's number 3, because I don't see the name here. Okay, so this is the All Hours Concealer by YSL. Matching my skin tone. This is not really like this concealer is not really like highlighted underneath my eye. I'm going to set, and I'm going to be using the under eye brightening setting powder from Becca. So the powder is definitely colorless. Like it's not giving me any like a white canvas. Now I have to see it once I do flash to see if it actually works with flash. So like it's very lightweight. It's not like making that under eye area cakey, which is a plus, because you want to avoid putting a lot of powder underneath your eye, because you really accentuate those lines. Alright, so this is the difference between the one eye and the other. I'm gonna finish up the eye, then I'll come back to do the eyes, the rest of the eyes. Basically, as you guys can see, I finish up this eye, and I'm about to show you how I did that on this eye. So, and the first thing that I did was apply my eye base, which is from Urban Decay, which I absolutely loved. I actually knew about this primer for so long, but I stopped using it for some reason. I don't know why. I got caught up with so much makeup, and I'm so happy that I discovered it again. So I have to share it with you guys because it's amazing, amazing, amazing. A little bit, I'm blending it out with my beauty blender. I am going to grab this Huda Beauty palette, which is the Smoky Obsession. Such a pretty palette, like on the go, that you can carry on your bag. I really, really like it. My first time using it, and of course her palettes are always so beautiful and super pigmented. So yeah, I'm going to use this, I forgot to show you guys, sorry, this shadow right here, right on my crease. And I'm going to grab a little bit of a flat brush, and I'm going to grab this flat brush and apply that same eyeshadow right on my bottom lash line. You want to be really careful. I'm not applying any like translucent powder to hold on any eyeshadows, but you can. I'm just being very careful. The next thing that I'm going to do is with that same brush, I'm going to grab this darker shadow right here, and I'm just going to use a little bit to accentuate a little bit more the outer V of my eye and create a little bit more definition. But it's not, you can definitely go like harder with it, but it's gonna give you more of a dramatic eye. I'm just doing very lightly motion and grabbing very small amount of shadow. Then I'm going to grab with a flat brush. I'm going to grab this shadow right here. This one is also from MAC. I believe it's the 239, and apply it right on my lid all over. It's very simple, as you can see, and make sure you bring that shimmer shadow into your inner corner. Then I'm going to do my lashes, and before I put mascara on my lashes, I'm going to use this Buxom black pencil, and I'm going to line my upper waterline. And I actually like doing this because once you apply once you apply the mascara, they're gonna look more fuller. They're gonna look a little bit more fuller. All right, there we go. And for the mascara, I'm gonna be using the Roller Lash Mascara from Benefit. The Cinema mascara makes such a huge difference. Makeup, I am going to use this powder from Too Faced, which is the Translucent Smoothing Finish Powder. It looks like orange powder, but it's really not. It's just very translucent. It just has a little bit of color to it. But I'm just going to set all my face with it. To be using this beautiful palette from Tarte, which is the Park Avenue Princess palette, and it's just gorgeous. I mean, the palette itself is actually pretty heavy, and it just looks beautiful. It just looks expensive and super glam and I don't know, fancy. The palette, I'm going to be using this shade right here. To be using this Pixie Strobe and Sculpt brush from Miriam and Pixie collab. I'm going to start curving those cheekbones. White powder, so I'm going to grab more of this white powder right here from the other, and with the other side of this brush I am going to just carve the contour just a little bit. Just blend out those bottom edges. I'm going to be using this highlighter from Artist Couture. This one is called Slay Nelly, and it's so beautiful. Use a little bit of setting spray. This one is from Smashbox. So for the lips, I'm going to be using the lip liner from Joyer in the color Fawn, and the lipstick YSL liquid lipstick in the shade number 7. This has been one of my favorite combinations lately, so make sure you check them out. Boots the makeup. A little bit of gel. This is the Gimme Brow by Benefit. Just a little bit. Perfect. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed this no falsies makeup look, and if you did, don't forget to share with your friends, family members, makeup besties that you think will love this tutorial. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and comment below if you enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up, and thank you again so much for watching until the end and keeping up with me. I love you guys so much, and I see you guys on my next video. Bye.